you have a 401k or a similar type plan available to you at work, this could provide some a valuable method for you to accumulate some savings over the long run. A lot of companies that offer a 401k will give you a match. If you put in $1, they'll put in $1, or if you put in $1, they may put in 50 cents. This is something that you should definitely take advantage of, because it's essentially free money to you. And so this is a tremendous savings vehicle for you over time. Whether you have a traditional 401k or whether you have a Roth 401k, take full advantage of those. Now, the question becomes, how do you invest that money inside the 401k? And that's an issue that a lot of people face. We like to think of it in simple terms. There's two buckets out there you can put your money in. You can put your money in the bond bucket or the stock bucket, and you need some of both. If you're younger in life and you've got a long way to go until retirement, most of your money needs to be over on the stock side of the equation, in the stock bucket. But yet if you're nearing retirement, you're 5 years away from retirement or whatever, you need to be more conservative, and you need to have substantially more funds in the bond bucket than the younger person does. So those are general guidelines, but it's what we call the asset allocation decision. How much to put in the stock bucket, how much to put in the bond bucket. And it just depends on your ability to take risk. When the market does go down, and it will go down, how bad does that bother you? And the other thing is your time horizon. How far are you away from retirement date? So those factors, you could use those two factors primarily to determine how much in the stock bucket, how much in the bond bucket, and you probably need some professional guidance on that as well. The other thing, once you've determined to put some money in the stock bucket, you need to make sure that you're diversified, that you've got some large company stocks and some small company stocks, that you've got some U.S. stocks as well as some international stocks. Maybe have some real estate in there. It's what we call building a diversified portfolio. And again, maybe need some professional guidance on that, but it can make a huge difference over the long run in the amount of money that you accumulate towards retirement.